the human race or humanity in general can be considered to be something which has not only been one of the most important, significant, powerful, knowledgeable, critical, truthful, or superior species in the world, but it's also always one of the most absurd, nonsensical, paradoxical, counterproductive, evil species also, because we have done and achieved all the paradoxical, counterproductive combinations of actions, ambitions, endeavors anyways in one or another. Because whatever we have ever conceived, perceived, envisioned, and achieved was a combination and execution of not only good, but also unwanted, undesirable, unfathomable, evil, vice, malevolence in the world, which we will never admit to anyways, because we like to see not only the goods in ourselves, but also we want to believe unconditionally that whatever we create, invent, develop, will also be basically unquestionably or unflinchingly good, acceptable, admirable, helpful, worthy, humanitarian anyways in one or another. And that is the paradox we won't admit to anyways. But then again, now there are being wars fought. We've always been engaging in war because we cannot basically exist without going to war or conflict, hating, harming each other in the society. So not only are we engaged in unconscious shadow projection, but also we just could not bring to light our inward evil. We could not seek any possible solid foundational confrontation face to face or acknowledgement of all our hidden inward evil, unconscious content, shadow material, which is present in almost everyone in the world, for both men and women. That is the same, as a result of which we project all that upon each other, upon the society. But now we're fighting wars for oil. The governments are mad. The democracies are the worst or the most controlling, dictatorial, enslaving governments in the world, because they use all the digital technologies and basically strict, cruel, enforcing measures to put us into eventual domestication from which we won't escape. We won't be able to rebel anyways, because everything is going to be taken away from us. And if we use force, then force will be used against us. So it's the basically not only ideological state apparatus, is repressive also. So now wars are being fought for oil. There is the oil hegemony and theft in the world by certain countries over others, whose presidents are being literally abducted, kidnapped into the basically host country. So this is the thing that we can live without problems. We manufacture, engineer not only slavery but also artificial problems, sufferings, crises, unfreedom that should never have existed in the first place. So we're quite vicious and harmful and evil